Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to program an Acura TL key fob. First, gather all the key fobs you want to program, including any existing ones that already work. Make sure your car's battery is fully charged to avoid any interruptions during the process. Then, get into the driver's seat, close all the doors, and ensure they are unlocked. This preparation ensures a smooth and successful programming experience for all your remote controls. To enter programming mode, insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the on position. Within 4 seconds, press either the lock or unlock button on one of your key fobs. Immediately after, within another 4 seconds, turn the ignition back to the off position. This precise timing is crucial for initiating the programming sequence correctly. Now, repeat that on button OFF sequence 2 more times, making it a total of 3 complete cycles. After the 3rd cycle, you should hear your door lock cycle automatically. This sound confirms that your vehicle has successfully entered the programming mode. Remember, entering this mode erases all previously programmed remotes, so you will need to reprogram all of them during this session. To program each key fob, within 4 seconds of the door lock cycling, press either the lock or unlock button on the first remote. The door locks will cycle again, confirming its successful programming. Repeat this step for any additional key fobs you wish to program. Finally, to exit the programming mode, simply turn the ignition key to the off position. Test all your remotes to ensure they function correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.